Hello again, English 1 students. Welcome back to your academic word of the day. For today's word, we have proportion. Let's go over the syllables of this word. Syllabic words. We have proportion. So proportion has 3 syllables. Proportion. Proportion. In Spanish, is proporción o parte. The part of speech that we're using this word is as a noun. Let's go over some let's go for the synonyms and antonyms and familiar words before we jump into the definition and examples. So for familiar words, we have proportionally, used as an adverb, proportionate, used as an adjective. Synonyms, words that mean the same. For definition number 1, we have fraction or percentage. So for definition number 1, if you're using it as a part or share of a whole, you can use other words as fraction or percentage instead of proportion. For definition number 2, you can use balance or correspondence. Balance or correspondence. Antonyms, we got disproportion and or imbalance. Let's go over the first definition. Proportion, used as noun, means a part or share of a whole. Part of a whole. Let's look at the example. Your attendance determines a significant proportion of your final grade. Okay. Let's check. We have fraction or percentage. Let's try to substitute proportion for one of the synonyms. Your attendance determines a significant percentage, okay, a significant part of your final or total grade, of the whole of your grade. Okay, so in this case, your attendance is just a part of the whole that is your final grade. Proportion here is used as a part of a whole. Second definition is the correct relationship in size, degree, importance, etc. between one thing and another, or between the parts of a whole. Let's look at the the example, and it's the amount of money you make will be in direct proportion to the hours you work in a week. So here proportion is not necessarily being used as a part of a whole only, but it's the relationship that exists between this part to the whole. Okay. So how much money you make in a week will directly, correlate or depend on the degree of the relationship or the importance of the hours you work in a week. Okay. So how much money you make is determined by the amount of work that you do in a week, in a day, in a month. Okay, it's in the direct relationship or in direct proportion to the hours that you do. Again, okay, the second definition is used as a balance or correspondence. Okay. So the amount of money that you make in a week will be in proportion to the hours you work. Okay. Again, the word is proportion. And go ahead, finish your flashcard for today. Make sure that you have a visual. You write your own sentence underneath your visual, and you copy your sentence of the day on the back of your flashcard, and happy studies.